So I wanted to find a way to celebrate the podcast coming out today. And I feel like, I don't know, I can't think of anything better than going to the sponsor. It's Nacho time!
My name is Chris. This is Nacho Mama's food truck. My wife and I have been doing this for the past 2.5 years. We named it Nacho Mama's because we're truly trying to not make your mother's nachos. We want to do a real unique spin on the nachos, so we do like cheeseburger nacho, pork belly, buffalo chicken, Cajun, just a lot of fun, delicious nachos. Oh my gosh, the cheeseburger nachos and the street corn are my two favorites, but I love them all. So.
I'm Sandra Curtis. I'm the chef of Nacho Mama's. I'm gonna make a cheeseburger nacho. First layer chips, cheddar cheese sauce.
Oh, you guys do 2 layers.
You don't want to ever say you didn't get enough cheese.
Oh my goodness, this is already my favorite place.
This is a mix of bacon and burger. Some pickles, some pickled red onions, arugula, chipotle mayo.
I always hate when people talk behind the camera, but goodness, this looks amazing.
It's party time. Burger nacho.
So I feel kind of bad. I know that the motto is nachos and beer, but I have never been too much of a beer guy. I went ahead and went full Mexican and got the squirt. But really, we are here for these nachos, so let's dig in. We got a piece with a good amount of a little bit of everything, especially the hot sauce and the meat. Let's do this. I want to finish this just so I can empty it out. Fill it with the hot sauce that's in here. Take it home and put it on everything because this is unreal. The meat is perfectly tender. The texture is exactly what I want from nachos. You want that crispy nacho. You want that greenery you see right here. Oh my God, this is unreal. And I can't believe that I got to do this just because I did a podcast. Get out of here. So it's like visual tools. I'm not trying to start a new Flavor Town show. I'm just trying to show you that the only thing hotter than these nachos is the takes that I drop on the podcast. So you should probably check it out.
So yeah, you can find us on NachoMamaSeattle.com, Facebook or Instagram at Nacho Mama Seattle, or on Twitter at Nacho Mama's SEA. Nachos and beer.
They heard I like the hot sauce so much they let me take it home. So thank you, Nacho Mamas, for letting me come hang out and get some nachos. And thank you, Bigfoot Pro Wrestling Podcast, because that's how I found out about all of this.